This is the fullness of the manifestation of the word Haya. This is what the whole intent in the purpose of the word Haya is. Again, connecting to the indigenous people that use that in a lot of their dance. Haya, Haya, Haya. It literally is, it's to become, to become, to become. They say it over and over again, to become the eternal existent being, partnering with the energy. When it moves into this form, you can see how it's connected to exist, to become, to happen, come to pass. It's the exact same, but now it moved, it shifted. And what did it shift into? Well, here we have, it's the revelation that you connect to on the inside that then produces oneness unity, where you become one with the essence of the unseen that is in and through everything that is God, which is the spirit of love. It's literally that place where the completion has happened. And part of that is to turn. So when we have the Haya, the active form in the word before, to give the ability to do that, this is now saying that this is going to happen. This is how Hebrew and Aramaic hope is produced in us. This is not something that, oh God, I hope this happens. No. Hope is based upon that which is coming to pass. Even if you don't see it directly manifested in your life, as long as you turn, as long as you shuv, as long as you don't resist the fire, when the fire comes, the only time you get burned is when you resist that God movement, because the ego doesn't see itself as that. So you resist and you get burnt. But when you allow the fire to burn away that which is saying that you are not, it allows you to build so that this happens. And why is this so important? Because this literally means to breathe and to be. This is the spirit breath. This is the revealing of those that connected in their heart and became one. The permutation, the exact opposite order of the word, means a desire and a wish. Why is that important? Because the spirit's desire and wish, and the spirit is love, is God. The spirit's desire and wish for us is to breathe, to be, to come to pass as those who are revealed as this. We are spiritual beings having a material encounter in this dense world, but this is the revealing of those who turned. So think of Ken's, what he's been talking about, a Hebrew, one who crosses over. That's this. That's this. A Hebrew is in the process of crossing over to be this, the manifested form of an eternal existent being that has been self-actualized, that is the manifestation of the spirit of love. Are you guys connecting that? I don't know about you, that just gave me goosebumps again. I know you guys know all of this. I'm just confirming stuff you already know, but it's written. It's been written. That frequency was already written, and it's a code that has been going out waiting for people to partner with it. So as soon as we partner with the spirit leading us in a direction, it's saying, yes, this can be fulfilled because I have a people that are following the essence of the unseen, guiding them every step of the way that caused them to turn. Think about the burning bush. Think about Moshe stopping and turning, looking at that fire, that supernatural element where the ground that he was standing upon became holy. It wasn't because of the bush burning that the ground became holy. It was because Moshe was standing on the ground with his bare feet. Do you think there's something to be said about grounding with the eternal essence of who we are and connecting with spirit, where we become standing upon hollow ground because we are it? This is all about changing our perspective, looking as it instead of at it.